A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the solar system, humanity's cosmic interface with the master creation. Ladies and gentlemen, suspended within an immeasurable sea of stars, the solar system is not merely a cluster of orbiting spheres. It is humanity's first classroom in the universe, a perfectly balanced dance of mass, light, and motion. This celestial family has governed tides and calendars, inspired civilizations, and whispered to the spirit within. It is more than astronomy. It is the cosmos made personal, a mirror reflecting not just how the universe works, but how life on earth lives, evolves, and awakens. The sun, this colossal engine of light and life, emits approximately 3.8 into 10 raised to the power 26 watts of radiant energy every second. To put that in perspective, it equals the output of nearly 1 trillion nuclear power plants running simultaneously. This light, filtered by the Earth's atmosphere, nourishes not only ecosystems but also regulates human physiology, governing circadian rhythms, vitamin D synthesis, and emotional well-being. Modern science now observes that cosmic rays, quantum particles, and photon streams emanating from or modulated by the sun and interstellar sources interact with Earth's electromagnetic field and human biofields. These interactions subtly influence cognition, mood, and biological rhythms. Far from threats, these cosmic dialogues are increasingly seen as coherent signals of alignment, bridging universal intelligence with human consciousness. Each celestial body in the solar system, planets and their 146 moons, is not merely mass and momentum. It is a symbol, a subtle archetype of consciousness. Ancient Indian scriptures understood this well, associating each planet with energies that shape not only cosmic patterns but inner human faculties. The sun, Surya, represents pure consciousness and the source of all vitality. It is the soul's light, radiating truth, vision, and the strength to illuminate darkness. The moon, Chandra, governs emotion, intuition, and the rhythms of nature. It mirrors the ever-changing mind and the flow of life itself. Mars, Mangala, brings dynamic force, symbolizing willpower, courage, and the assertive energy to protect and preserve. Mercury, Buddha, stands for intellect, speech, and clarity, bridging knowledge with expression and thought with action. Jupiter, Guru, is the archetype of wisdom and benevolence, the inner guide that fosters expansion, ethics, and higher learning. Venus, Shukra, embodies harmony, love, and beauty, the creative grace that refines, attracts, and balances. Saturn, Shani, is the teacher of time, patience, and endurance. It signifies structure, responsibility, and the profound growth born of limitation. Rahu, North Lunar Node, though a shadow planet, signifies worldly ambition, innovation, and the magnetic pull toward material experience and evolution. Ketu, South Lunar Node, represents detachment, liberation, and spiritual insight. It dissolves illusion and awakens the seeker to subtle realms of awareness. While the classical framework ends with Ketu, the unfolding map of the cosmos has since expanded. Uranus, though absent from ancient texts, is often linked in modern thought with innovation, sudden insight, and rebellion against outdated structures. Neptune symbolizes intuition, dreams, and the dissolving of boundaries connecting to the vast ocean of consciousness. Pluto, though reclassified as a dwarf planet, is seen as the force of transformation, power, and deep regeneration. Though unseen by ancient eyes, these outer planets suggest that the solar system may yet hold keys to human evolution, not just in space, but in spirit. What's the way forward? Today's world, empowered by science and speed, stands ready for deeper wisdom. It is time for a curriculum that marries space exploration with soul evolution. Cosmic literacy should not stop at astronomy. It must rise to cosmic harmony. Let planetary science inspire self-mastery. Let the sun be a metaphor not only for energy but for inner illumination. This generation has the privilege and the responsibility to become cosmically conscious, to look to the skies not just with curiosity but with reverence. The solar system is a message in motion to live in balance, to think with clarity, and to evolve in peace. It is truly a coded manuscript of laws, lessons, and luminous potential. As humanity journeys outward with technology, it must also journey inward with awareness. The future lies in unifying modern scientific inquiry with ancient intuitive wisdom, where quantum fields meet meditative stillness and planetary motion echoes in the rhythm of breath. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the solar system is more than a marvel. It is a meditation. Its gravitational choreography teaches interdependence. Its radiant generosity nourishes all life without condition. Its stillness amidst motion reflects a deeper silence within. In the eternal words of Lord Krishna from the Bhagavad Gita, among all radiant beings, I am the sun. This is not poetic imagery alone. It is a sacred affirmation. The divine resides not only in temples and texts, but in light, in space, and in the rhythm of stars. To know the solar system is to remember the cosmic self, and in that remembrance, a path unfolds, not just toward understanding the universe, but toward becoming whole within it. When humanity aligns with higher order and cosmic truth, guidance emerges, sometimes as scripture, sometimes as sunlight, and sometimes as a planet silently orbiting in grace. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.